Victor. It's been, like I said, over a month now without a draw. Really need a draw, at least just on the hardwoods. So as you can see, dining, that's living. All done up. We have our color scheme, the grays. For the cabinets up. Hardwoods, hardwoods, hardwoods. Master suite, looks beautiful, it's all done up. The wood really is gorgeous. It's worth the money. We got it about 30% under retail, which is a savings. And the install was about 30% off retail. So with this billing on the budget that was approved by lead funding, we're billing out for 70%. Currently we have 20% left at stock for downstairs. This was the biggest level. And then the third level used the second most, and then the first level has a little bit, but that's carpet on the first level, carpet, tile, and rubber mats in the gym. So these are the two main levels. They're all done. We haven't billed a nickel for hardwoods, and we have about $60,000 worth. Here we're billing for $40,000. So really is beautiful, isn't it? But in order for all of us to maintain the integrity of the project, we need to acquire that draw today if possible. Today's the 20th of August. We requested a draw back on the 27th of July, which we're still waiting on. So that's the hardwoods here at the lovely 450 Terrace, and we're really excited to get that draw so that we can pick up some more materials. Thank you for your quick resolution to this request.